wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. You make me wanna. When I met you, you were cool. But it was game, you had me. But it was game, you had me fooled. When I met you, you were cool. But it was game, you had me fooled. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna. 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 I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window.
Alrighty guys, so this is the finished look of this unit right here. So just starting off, I want to say I absolutely love this unit. Now starting off, I know you guys are probably looking like, wow, that is the biggest curly hair I've ever seen. Now this unit is not 200% density, it's not 250% density, it's actually 180% density. And when I got it out the pack, I was absolutely shocked on how thick and freaking beautiful this wig is. And even after washing the unit, guys, the unit is absolutely stunning. So far, this might have to be one of my favorite curly wigs. Now, I have to wear it for a little bit longer to give you guys like a longevity review, but this is not the first time that I've worked with UNice Hair Company, guys. I swear their units are bomb AF. Now, one thing I did notice when I first got this unit is that they overplucked it a little bit. Sometimes I'd rather the companies not touch the units and just let the customer do it, but sometimes it works for people that are beginners, but I kind of felt like they overdid the tweezing a little bit on this, so I had to go ahead and finagle it a little bit, which I did. Now, this unit is a transparent lace, guys. It's 13 by 6, and this unit is a curly texture. I would almost say that this is almost like a jerry curl texture. It is 26 inches long, guys, and obviously it is 180% density, which there's no way. There's just no, this literally looks like 250% density on a good day. Like, this is really, really nice, guys. So density-wise, length-wise, quality-wise, A+. Now, when I was co-washing this unit, I'm not gonna lie, I saw some shedding that I was like, bitch, what? I'm starting to think it was just the manufacturing after I kind of like I tweezed it a little bit. And you know, just after the company sends you the wig, you do need to co-wash it because you'll get some of that dead hair coming out. So I did see some shedding when I was co-washing it, like just some detangling it out. I found some hair. So I was a little bit like, whoa, am I losing the density? But guys, I lost not absolutely 1 inch of density off this unit. This unit is the same exact density it was before I washed it. I did go ahead and do a little color job, but you really can't see the color right now. It's actually a really, really dark burgundy color. Instead of going for the L'Oreal high colors for red, for dark hair, the red brand, the red colors, I went for like a darker tone this time instead of doing like the red hot or the magenta, just because I didn't want the hair to be overly bold. I want to have like a subtle burgundy color so that in the fall season you get that kind of like subtle hit. So some of you guys may see it and some of you guys may not see it, but all in all, I do like the color. I'm so happy that it didn't go all the way to that really bright red color, because I feel like that would have took away from some of the curl pattern, just some of the curls itself. So I like the fact that the hair is still dark, so a lot of the curls are still emphasized and stuff like that. As far as the hairline, I kept it pretty simple. Well, I lied. I did baby hair magic just because I feel like the hairline needed a little bit of pizzazz. So I think it's cute. So I'll leave all the information down below, guys, per usual. If you're interested in purchasing this unit from UNice Hair Company, do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.